Patom Cafe by NITAPROW in NAKHON PATHOM, Thailand. After learning about the client's plan to demolish the old amphitheater, which was built partially on an existing hill next to two significant tamarind and trumpet trees, we proposed to place the new cafe there in its place. On one side, the new building overlooks the preserved amphitheater's wooden stage, while gaining an unparalleled view of the entire village from all the other sides. The service core was set back from the glass facade to allow for a continuous circulation loop. The roof slope was divided into 4 segments. Its geometry conceptually pivots around the center column to follow the circulation flow at ground level, while inviting natural light to illuminate the underside of its roof along all 4 axes. Terracotta tiles were selected as the roof material for its traditional values and its primitive yet intricate installation technique. All of the electrical equipment was designed to run entirely on solar energy provided for by solar roof panels, installed at the front end of the property. The height of the building was determined by the height of a single piece of glass. The glass division was determined by the width of the night vision reflective film applied to all exterior glass surfaces. The film reflection reduces the solar heat gain while creating a curious yet bold and precise blend of the environment, as the building welcomes the image of the natural surroundings, the complexity of the natural light and its ever-changing sky onto its small enclosure. Both interior and exterior columns were cladded with reflective stainless steel panels to reflect their surrounding, and reach a certain degree of visual discretion and distinction. Plants and vines were designed to take over the thatched roof walkway and the surrounding landscape. The small glass enclosure would eventually stand in contrast with its roof and its surrounding while precisely reflecting and capturing every changing detail of its immediate environment.